Welcome back RK Learning Cat friends. Friends, we are learning CATIA and in this CATIA we are learning part modeling. So let's start video. So friends, last video I have explained translation. Today we discuss rotation. Okay. So here we have one body and that body I want to rotate. Otherwise go to sketch mode and you can change location. Okay. No problem. This is okay. So select here rotation features and press here yes. Now here see three option have. So first angle and axis. So which axis you want to rotate as a rotation axis? Suppose here we select otherwise you can select here right click and you can choose here directly x axis. So x this one have. You can choose y axis. So y this one have. And you can choose z axis. So this one have. Otherwise you can use select you can edge. Okay. If you want this edge axis, this one also you can select. If you select this one, so that is the rotation axis working. Okay. So we have totally freedom. We can select direct axis system, otherwise we can select edge. Now how much degree we want to rotate this rotation axis? So this way I click and OK. Okay. Now Control Z. Again I select here rotation. Suppose press here yes. Next here have axis to element. So axis to element means first suppose this is one axis. Okay. This is axis rotation axis have. First element I select this one and second element I this one. So whatever this distance I have, that is this is not rotated. Okay, no problem. So what we do, select axis rotation, but here we select second option axis to element. Means axis what? So axis, this is the axis. Okay, this axis. Click here, select this axis. And the first element suppose this one and second element also second this one. Okay, means again select this one is selected. Now this is not working, so we have to create point. Okay, so go here yes, select here axis 2 point elements. So axis this one hai, you select this one axis. Now element no have, so right click create point. Okay, so x direction 0, y direction 0 and x direction this is, so x direction this is 56. Now next point created, I put here z, y also 80. Okay, now done. So x this point to this point, how much distance in angular created, that one rotate. Okay, this way. Control Z. Same here, select rotation, click on yes, select here 3 points. Now we have to create 3 points. Okay, axis no need. So just right click, create first point. So x direction 56. Okay, this one okay, done. Second point, right click, again create point. Now x y direction type 80. Type 80 and done. So this point coming. Now third point create again. So x direction I put here 40 and y direction is put 120 and z direction also we can put here 25. Okay, so that means this way he rotate. Okay, in this is coming this point, this is going this second point, that is going third point. Okay, so this way I have. So friends, this way you can use rotation options. So I think you have understood. So how to use rotation option in this CATIA. So friends, please subscribe RK Learning Cat and we will meet next video and we will discuss another part modeling tool. So friends, have a nice day.